we're going to be tracking a few changes as we get into our Tuesday. Again, a lot of that's going to be tied to some cloud cover and it's flipping out of the northwest here behind this cold front that we're going to be tracking throughout our Tuesday. Then it's going to put the brakes on that warming process we like to get going as we get into the afternoon hours. Latest look at future tracking. Again, it's just one of those awkwardly timed frontal boundaries where it's moving in a little bit too soon to really run into some moisture. A little bit too late, though, to keep us out of the 60s as we get into our Tuesday. Here come the clouds, though, later on today as we get into about 4 and 5 o'clock, and that'll back up those temperatures just a bit. As we get more so into this evening, I think that's where our chance of picking up some of these light showers is going to be. A lot of this is going to be down toward I-44. I think most of us, if not all of us, going to be missed out by this system. As it continues to work its way off toward the south and east, we might still hang on to some of these clouds tonight. That'll lead to some low 40s. Elsewhere, we're going to dip into the upper 30s as we get out the door Wednesday morning. Going to watch this little lobe of moisture, though, as we get into the, again, morning commute hours tomorrow. I think most of that's going to be staying off to our south, but we'll keep an eye on that going forward. Temperature-wise, though, again, really not a problem today. It's tomorrow where temperature is going to fall back into the upper 30s and low 40s and really don't recover too well by the afternoon hours. And then we go even further as we get into about Thursday morning. I think all of us in the upper 20s and seeing those freezing temperatures making a return with that big trough. Again, kind of funneling in some of that cooler air, but that'll push off toward the east and watch what happens underneath that. Again, that allows that warmer weather to sneak back north as we get into this weekend. So it's going to be a fairly short-lived cool snap, if you want to call it that, as we get into Wednesday and Thursday. By Friday, we're back into the 60s in this Easter weekend. Looks like it's going to be featuring some 70-degree weather as we get into both Saturday and Sunday, but probably going to be hanging on to the 70s next week. I think we're picking up some active weather as well. More rain chances in store on the other side. That ABC 17 Storm Track 7-day forecast.